Do you want to make bigger chest at home? If yes, then please continue watching this video till the end, because today I'm going to tell you about 5 at-home chest workouts without any equipment. And guys, I'm shooting this in my living room right now so that I can show you that you can do these exercises anywhere else. So anyways, let's get going. So the first effective chest exercise is wide angle push-ups. So at first we are gonna keep our body straight, hips tight, and we are gonna place our hands wider than the normal push-ups. Then go all the way down and come up. Make sure you do it at least 20 or above if you want to create that hypertension and tear the muscle fibers for a better muscle growth. Alright guys, we have already done the warm-up. So now let's move on to the next exercise. So number 2, it's gonna be a killer. It's explosive negative push-ups. Alright, calm down slow and controlled as you can, and then try to explode as hard as you can. 10 explosive negative push-ups will definitely do the trick for you. And again, try to do it as slow as you can and don't just hurry to complete those 10 reps. And guys, let me tell you that these are the home exercises, so don't take rest in between the 2 exercises. And if you're still a beginner and finding it somewhat hard for you, then take a rest of maximum 30 seconds in between the 2 exercises, but please not more than that. Now moving on to number 3, inclined push-ups. Now you can just keep your hands on a chair or the sides of your bed or your window box and then incline your body. Then go all the way down and come up just like normal push-ups. It looks very easy but burns just after a few reps. If you are a beginner, you can do 15, but try to do 20 or as many as you can. And guys, before moving on to the next 2 exercises, let me remind you again that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because when I post this kind of content on men's fashion, fitness, lifestyle and grooming, you get the notification at first. And guys, if you also want to check out my other fitness exercises on at-home bicep, core, leg, arm exercises, then click here, or you can also click the link of the fitness playlist given in the description box. And guys, let me also tell you that there is a huge giveaway running on my channel, so the giveaways video link will be given below in the description box. Go and check that out after watching this video full. Now number 4, after completing the incline push-ups, instantly start doing the elevated push-ups. Now in this case, place your feet onto the same place where you put your palms before and keep your body elevated. Now come down and go up and do these reps as quickly as possible and as many as possible, because it's really effective. Now by this time you must be a lot of fatigued, and that's why I've kept the last exercise for you. It's very tiring. And finally number 5, only one push-up but 30 seconds down and 30 seconds up. Put up a stopwatch and go down for 30 seconds as slow as possible, and from the 31st second to the 68th second again go 30 seconds up again slowly. This will burn your muscles and do not break your form during this exercise. Guys, this is a full complete 1 set and you have to do 4 times. That is, you have to do 4 sets of this before wrapping up your chest day. And that's basically for today's video guys. If you really found this video helpful, please drop a like down below and also comment down what you like about this video. Also guys, let me know in the comment box I should make more videos on fitness or not. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay stylish.